How to use the Jackson Trendline Scanner. Once you have done downloading Jackson Trendline on your MT5, drag and drop it on the clean chart. This window will pop up. Go on Input. Now we are at the Input tab. Here we have major and the minor inputs. The major inputs it for the major trend line. It scan the large trends. And the minor it for minor trend line, known as trend in trend. Now let's explain each inputs. Shifted where we will set the number of candles, which will be excluded when we scanning the trend line starting from the current candle backward. I will input 2 on both major and minor shift. The current candle and the previous one won't be included on our trend line. It useful for a breakout. It allows the shifted candles to break out into the trend lines. Period at a number of candlesticks the indicator will calculate and scan to draw the trend line. Minor period must be half of the major period. In this demonstration I will use the default settings and click OK. Here it are accurate trend line. Feel free to play with input settings to accommodate your trading strategy. To do that, click Option. Click on Indicator List. Click on Jackson Trend Line and go on Property. The settings window will pop up again. Once you have done modifying your inputs, click OK. Subscribe to stay tuned on the next Jackson indicator.